好，你们好这是我们的复习课。So this is our review lecture, and because you guys are quite familiar with the format of our tests already, so I will not repeat it here. So today I will just highlight some of the grammar points that you need to know before you take this test. 好，首先我们学了成 ，this is an important verb, as in 王鹏和李友成了好朋友 ，so they became good friends. 好，高小英和王红成了好同事 ，they became good colleagues. 好， we also learned 印象 ，so we got two ways to say someone likes the other person. Someone got a very good impression about the other person. We could say 李友对王鹏的印象很好。Or we could use 王鹏 as the subject. 王鹏给李友的印象很好。好， now another very important grammar we learned, it's potential complement. Okay, so the structure is verbs and adjectives or verbs. They use it as they're used as potential complements to mean someone is able to do something, or certain results can be realized under certain conditions. 好, so all these complements listed here are very important and you need to know. In addition to our PowerPoint, you should also read our grammar notes from a textbook. Okay, so some questions may come from our textbook. Also, I may change some of the verbs here. For example, we learned verb 搬 means to move from this lesson. So I may use that verb instead of the verbs I listed here. Okay, so bottom line is review this part of the PowerPoint and also review your grammar notes from your textbook. So you should feel comfortable for your test. Okay. Now, we also learned this adverb 就, a new meaning for this one. This is an old friend, but with a new dress. So 就 means 只有, only. Like in this sentence, 我们班的学生很少，就2个. So we only have 2 students in this class. 好，那么 this is a quick review of the complement we learned last year, the descriptive complement. So as we saw here, you need to get really comfortable with this structure, verb, object, and if you have a structure like this, when you make a descriptive complement, you need to repeat this verb and put 的 and put 好, as we practiced in class. Okay? 我跳舞跳得好，我唱歌唱得好，我做菜做得好，我喝酒喝得多，我说中文说得好。Okay, also we introduced this a couple of expressions that we used in real life a lot. 比如说就我们俩, we practiced this in class. So 俩, if you look at this character, you have a person on the left, you have 2 on the right. So together this means us, 2 people. 就我们俩. 好, we also learned this very useful expression when you have an appointment with someone, or when you promise someone to do something at a certain time. You could say 一言为定. That means it's a deal. Okay, so this is the major grammar points and also the major expressions that you need to know before you sit on the test. And of course, as usual, you do for you to prepare for your test, You need to go over the vocabulary, you need to go over the text and listen to the recording and also review my PowerPoints. Okay, so good luck. I'm pretty confident you will all do well. Let me know if you have any questions. 谢谢，再见。